Okay, as you can see, the clay bar is fairly white, almost like a gray color, but look at that. Now, when you spray a little waterless wash on it, and you don't want to put any pressure on it at all. You just let the clay bar do its job. Now, what a clay bar does is it removes a fine layer of contaminants that are embedded in your paint. It'll give you a smoother finish, a shinier finish, and it'll make cleaning your car a lot easier because all the type of grime and dirt that gets stuck in your paint will also hold on to other things and it'll make it not wash nearly as easy. But we'll go ahead and get this whole little portion of the panel and we'll show you what's really on this paint. Now, white cars hide a lot of dirt, so that's why I highly recommend going to get your car clay barred or letting me clay bar it. But I mean, all this was hiding in that white paint. Now I'm gonna go ahead and go over the whole car with this, and this is gonna make sure that the car's paint is pristine and super clean.